How to apply special instruction or notes to your Shake Shack order. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to make sure your Shake Shack order is exactly how you like it, well, in today's video, I'll show you how to add special instruction or notes online. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside, then you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here, on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply log in with your credential and once logged in, you can simply click on menu and select the items that you want to order and add them to your cart as usual. And here, once you do that, before checking out, look for the special instruction or add a note box in your cart and there you can type requests like no pickles, extra ketchup, allergies or dietary preferences. So be clear so that the kitchen knows exactly how to prepare your order. And after adding your notes, you can simply proceed to checkout by entering your payment info and then clicking on place order. And once you do that, your instruction will be included with your order for the staff to follow. And that's it. Adding a special instruction ensures that your Shake Shack order is made just the way you like it. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.